Hi, Jaimie. What are you doing today?
Well, back up a little so you can see the scene. Okay, don't
Here's
get all the
the
garbage and
scene.
crap on the ground, but that's gonna be gone soon anyway. Okay, we're gonna build a guest house right here. I've been thinking about it for years, and I think it's time to do it.
And what's it going to be made out of?
Well, it's gonna be like basically the size of that thing, like one of those domes. That's not a whole one, but I'm gonna use one of these pieces as the mold, so it'll be 10 feet high in the middle. Although I might actually bump it up a little bit, make like a wall around the bottom. But 18 feet diameter, if I remember right, and it'll have at least 2 windows, maybe 3 windows, and a door that way. And it's gonna go right here. And I want to make it real nice. And I'm gonna make it out of styrocrete. Did I tell you that? I didn't tell you that. Yeah, I want to make it out of styrocrete. And I got this roll of fiberglass. Have you seen the fiberglass mesh in the house?
No.
It's like, it's not like fiberglass that you make like kayaks and stuff with. It's mesh with space between. It's sort of like hardware cloth. You know, like steel mesh, but it's fiberglass. Anyway, it's made for concrete. So I'm gonna make the dome out of styrocrete, like pretty thick, so it'll be very well insulated, so it won't heat up in the sun. And then smear over the top, you know, just like I did the roof here. Except I'm gonna have the fiberglass mesh in it to make sure it doesn't have any cracks and won't leak at all. It would have been awesome if I did that there, but whatever. Anyway, yeah, I want to make it like pretty fancy, like kind of swanky, but not too swanky. Don't get too excited. Like for example, I want a water tank probably in the ground, and to get the water out of it, there's going to be like an old style hand pump. Do you know what that is?
No.
Like they used to have these well pumps. My grandparents used to have one on their farm out in the back. Like it never got used anymore. I mean, the kids played with it all the time. Anyway, so say there's a water tank here. I'll have like some kind of thing coming up from it, like a tube, and then there'll be this crank, and you go like this, and it makes water come out. And there's kind of a reservoir at the top with a little spout out, so you can crank it a few times and fill up the reservoir, and then it'll squirt out the nozzle for a minute, so you can go fill up the thing, and then you can wash your hands or whatever.
We're gonna keep Rosie away from that.
Yeah. Well, anyway, I feel like that'll help not use up all the water. That's also why I don't have a automatic water into the house, so it doesn't all get used up. But other than that, I want to make it like pretty nice, kind of fancy, you know?
Yeah.
And like a little kitchen, a nice bed, bathroom, kind of like so normal people could visit. Or we could just hang out at, you know, whenever we want. But it's gonna go right here.
We should have some normal people
We're just
visit.
moving that thing out of the way. It's gonna go this way as far as I can get it, so it's not taking up the space of our field here. And yeah, just be around here. So I have some rocks and sand over here. Get a load of this kid's feet.
Oh my God, you're a mud monster. Oh my God, there's 2 of you.
Yeah. So this is for the floor, for the concrete for the floor, and I have the cement in the house. That should be close to enough. I don't know, I didn't really measure it when I brought this up. Anyway, this will do a significant portion of the floor anyway. I'll probably have to go get some more rocks and sand. I have more in a pile way at the other end of the island. But yeah, today I'm just moving this dome over to make the space, ripping out some weeds, prepping to make the floor. And thinking about, I don't think I can make the floor until I dig a hole, because now I wasn't sure if I was going to do it, but now that I'm talking about it, yeah, I think I definitely want a water tank sunk in the ground, and then you pump a thing. I think that'll be cool. All right, come help pull some weeds.
Okay.
So you think water tank in the ground with the pump's good?
Yeah.
And we should I think we should make it a little taller than like the original shape of them. There's a 10-foot ceiling, and if we made it like 12 feet, we could have lofted beds. You could do it in a 10-foot thing, but the loft would be real short. they slingshotting my wheelbarrow?
Yeah. You should not have started that.
Just with dirt pieces, right?
You never know.
Hey, get back in your mud pit.
We all know mud pit.